In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to DocuSign a Word document step by step using a template inside DocuSign. If you need to send contracts, agreements, or any official document for signature, this method will help you set everything up properly so your recipients can sign digitally in just a few clicks. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the DocuSign website. Once you're logged into your DocuSign account, look at the top navigation area and click on Templates. Templates allow you to prepare documents in advance so you can reuse them whenever needed, which saves a lot of time if you send similar documents regularly. After you click on Templates, select Create Template. This will start the process of setting up your Word document for electronic signatures. On the next screen, you'll need to type a name for your template. Choose a clear and descriptive name so you can easily find it later, especially if you plan to create multiple templates. Once you've named your template, click on Upload to add your Word document. A file selection window will open. If your file is saved on your computer, click on Desktop or navigate to the folder where your Word document is stored. Select the document and confirm the upload. DocuSign will now import your Word file into the template editor. After the file uploads, you'll be prompted to fill in recipient details. This is where you specify who will be signing the document. Enter the name and email address of the signer. You can also assign roles if needed, especially if multiple people will be signing the same document. Make sure the email address is correct so the document is delivered without any issues. When you filled in the recipient details, click on Next, Add Fields. This will open the document editor where you can place signature and other required fields directly onto your Word document. Now you'll see your uploaded Word document displayed on the screen. On the left-hand side, there will be a panel with different field options. To add a signature field, simply drag and drop the signature field onto the area of the document where you want the signer to sign. Position it carefully so it aligns with the signature line or designated area. Next, drag and drop the initial field if your document requires initials on certain pages or sections. Place the initial field wherever the signer needs to initial. This is commonly used for agreements where each page must be acknowledged. After that, drag and drop the date signed field onto the document. This ensures that the date is automatically recorded when the signer completes the document. Position it near the signature area or wherever appropriate in the document. Take a moment to review all the fields you've added. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient if you have more than one signer. Proper assignment is very important so that each person only fills in their designated fields. Once everything looks good, click on Save. Your template is now ready to use. From here, you can send the document out for signature whenever needed by selecting this template and entering the recipient's information. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to DocuSign a Word document using a template in DocuSign. This method makes it easy to prepare professional, legally binding documents without printing or scanning anything. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.